friends, and welcome back to Old Mill Homestead. So today I'm going to show you what the seedlings are sprouting into. Lots of pretty green. I can't even believe that they're actually doing it. So let's swing around. I'll take you in the other room and show you what they look like. Okay, here we are. These are all of our delicious tomatoes. I believe every one of those is a delicious tomato in there. Can you believe that? Look at all that. We grew that together. And then I have this one. I've kind of got it sideways because some are bigger. So we've got Cherokee Purple, this first row. I'll take this off so you can see a little better. So we've got Cherokee Purple on the first row here, and then this row is beefsteak. We've got some baby Romas, some more beefsteak, some more baby Romas and baby Romas, and then in this one in the back we have beefsteak and baby Romas in the one in the back. Look at these, guys. Can you even believe that? It's just blowing my mind. And then we have our originals up here. So this side has all of our tomatoes in there, except the very last row has banana peppers. And then this side, I'm still waiting patiently on these to sprout. It's not been quite long enough, but these are all of our bell peppers, jalapenos. We've got green, red, and yellow bell peppers in there, and jalapenos and tomatillos maybe. I can't remember, but that all started. We started with these two in this little configuration that Nick made for me with our 3 grow lights. And then we had to add some more. So these 3 grow lights here are all connected to the other 3. And it's on a 12-hour timer. And then we have all of this growing, y'all. I can't even believe this. I can't believe that we grew this together. This being the first time ever, I'm just in awe. I'm just in awe. Every time I come in to take a look and do a transplant, let me see. I don't want to take that off, but it's just some more tomatoes in there. The Cherokee Purple, the beefsteak, baby Romas, and the might be a couple delicious in there. I'm not sure, but yeah. So look at the height on those. It's just blowing my mind. This is the little contraption that Nick built for the second one. I did not want to take this space because I can't use my treadmill, which is here. But so this pole we'll probably reuse in the chicken coop. So we went ahead and picked it up and then attached these. This little mechanism lets me lower and raise the lights, and then we have all of this set up down here. And I've got 3 more of these. I have these 2 just kind of helping prop the shield up, the I can't think of what it's called, the plastic there, and then I've got 1 back there just keeping that level. I cannot believe this. I am so happy to see this in here. It's just absolutely amazing to me that we grew this together. I have never done this before, ever. And we have so many. So that is it. Can you guys believe it? Thank you so much for recommending that I do that. You know, I was not gonna do that because we don't have a ton of indoor space. I was just gonna plant everything outside, but it is so amazing to go in there every day and just kind of watch them grow and get bigger and water them and nurture them, and just so exciting. Thank you all so much for recommending that. You guys have been so wonderful helping me with cooking and just the garden and where to put things and how to grow, and just it's been amazing. It's been amazing. So I just wanted to show you that and let you see kind of what's going on the homestead this week, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, friends.